girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar, Jessie WARE Pearls. So this one is kind of old school disco vibes here, and nice to get some new energy here. So we'll start with this, and we're going clean here, no need for any capo. So let's start this up. Let's go over the chords. We'll start with the G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. A is coming next there, so that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have D sus, so that is open D, second G, third B, and third E. And then we have D, so just a small adjustment there, and we'll go with the same grip almost. So open D, second G, third B, and this is the difference here, the second E now. Instead of third, you go second. Okay, so that's the D. So it will go in that chord progression through the entire song. We have one strumming pattern. We need to split that into two parts because we'll play different parts depending on what chord we're playing. So we will look at the G first. So that is the first chord, and we'll play part one for the G. So that will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Okay, and then you switch chord. That was the part one to next chord. And this is the A now coming, and you play part two. And you'll play down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, down, up. Okay, so not down, up, fast like this. You have small half breaks, so to speak, here between the downs and ups. So that's the part two, down, up, and then you repeat the strumming here for the D sus. You play that part one, so in the same way as you play G, down, 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 up, and then you play the standard D, down, up, the part two, and that is pretty much how the song goes. So if we look at this a little bit slower and listen to how it sounds, it goes like this. Faster. And yeah, that pretty much covers Jessie's Pearls. So thanks for watching, guys. Play tuned.